Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're just starting to learn Swahili, this lesson is for you. Today, I'm going to teach you 20 of the most useful Swahili verbs that you'll hear and use every single day. Let's get started. Kula, to eat. Repeat after me. Kula, kula, kula. Example in a sentence, ninakula wali. I am eating rice. Ninakula wali. Good job. The second verb, kunywa, to drink. Repeat after me. Kunywa, kunywa. One more time. Kunywa. Good. Example in a sentence, ninakunywa maji. I am drinking water. Ninakunywa maji. The third verb is kuenda, to go. Now repeat after me. Kuenda, kuenda, kuenda. Good. An example in a sentence, ninaenda kazini. I am going to work. Repeat after me. Ninaenda kazini. Ninaenda kazini. Good job. The fourth verb, kuja, to come. Now repeat after me. Kuja, kuja. An example in a sentence, anakuja sasa. He or she is coming now. Anakuja sasa. Good job. Kulala, to sleep. Repeat after me. Kulala, kulala. Good. An example in a sentence, mtoto analala. The child is sleeping. So repeat after me. Mtoto analala. One more time. Mtoto analala. Perfect. Kuamka, to wake up. Repeat after me. Kuamka, kuamka. An example in a sentence, nitaamka saa moja. I will wake up at 7 o'clock. Now I want you to repeat after me. Nitaamka saa moja. One more time. Nitaamka saa moja. Good job. Kusoma, to read or study. Now repeat after me. Kusoma, kusoma. Example in a sentence, tunasoma Kiswahili. We are studying Swahili. Tunasoma Kiswahili. Tunasoma Kiswahili. Good. Kuandika, to write. Kuandika. Repeat after me, please. Kuandika, kuandika. Good. An example in a sentence, anaandika barua. He or she is writing a letter. So repeat after me, please. Anaandika barua. Anaandika barua. He or she is writing a letter. Good job. Kufanya, to do. Repeat after me. Kufanya, kufanya. Good. An example in a sentence, ninafanya kazi. I am working. Ninafanya kazi. Repeat after me, please. Ninafanya kazi. I am working. Good job. Kupika, to cook. Now repeat after me. Kupika. Kupika. Good job. An example in a sentence. Mama anapika chakula. Mother is cooking food. So repeat after me. Mama anapika chakula. Mama anapika chakula. Mom is cooking food. Good job. Kuona. To see. Now repeat after me. Kuona. Kuona. Good. An example in a sentence. Ninaona ndege. I see a bird. Ninaona ndege. One more time. Ninaona ndege. I see a bird. Fantastic. Kusikia. To hear. Kusikia. One more time. Kusikia. So example in a sentence is tunasikia sauti. We are hearing a voice. So repeat after me, please. Tunasikia sauti. Tunasikia sauti. Good job. We are hearing a voice. Perfect. Kuzungumza. To speak. Now repeat after me, please. Kuzungumza. Kuzungumza. Good. Example in a sentence. Anazungumza Kiswahili. He or she speaks Swahili. Anazungumza Kiswahili. One more time. Anazungumza Kiswahili. Good job. Kupenda. To love or to like. Repeat after me. Kupenda. One more time. Kupenda. Example in a sentence. Ninapenda chai. I like tea or I love tea. So repeat after me, please. Ninapenda chai. One more time. Ninapenda chai. I love tea. Good. Kufanya kazi. To work. This is a very common expression. Kufanya kazi. Kufanya kazi simply means to work. So example in a sentence. Baba anafanya kazi. Dad is working. So repeat after me, please. Baba anafanya kazi. Baba anafanya kazi. Good job. Kucheza. To play. Repeat after me, please. Kucheza. Kucheza. Good. Example in a sentence. Watoto wanacheza. The children are playing. So repeat after me. Watoto wanacheza. Watoto wanacheza. Good job. Kukimbia. To run. Kukimbia. One more time. Kukimbia. Good. Mbwa anakimbia. The dog is running. Mbwa anakimbia. One more time. Mbwa anakimbia. The dog is running. Good. Kununua. To buy. Kununua. One more time. Kununua. Ninanunua matunda. I am buying fruits. So repeat after me. Ninanunua matunda. Ninanunua matunda. Good job. Kuuza. To sell. Kuuza. One more time. Kuuza. Good. Anauza mboga. He or she is selling vegetables. Anauza mboga. One more time. Anauza mboga. Good job. So the last verb, kuishi, to live. Kuishi. One more time. Kuishi. Good. Ninaishi Kenya. I live in Kenya. Ninaishi Kenya. One more time. Ninaishi Kenya. Good job. Which of these verbs was your favorite? Now, write one sentence using one of today's verb in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a Swahili lesson. As always, asante and kwaheri. Bye bye.